Hello, this is Luton Group, factory for the pump and mixer pump. Today we will introduce the trailer pump for you. This is the 60 cubic meter per hour diesel type concrete pump, ready for delivery. For the trailer pump, we can produce from 20 cubic meter per hour to 110 cubic meter per hour with electric and diesel engine. This one is 60 cubic meter per hour. You can check our details. This is the pump hopper, and this one to connect the steel pump. And you can check in the hopper. There is the shaft for mixing. For this pump, this part is the diesel engine, hydraulic system, valve system, like this, and also with the lubricating system. For the diesel engine, you can choose different brands such as Cummins brand, V-type brand, or U-type brand, etc. This part is the cooling system. And this one is the control system. For the control system, we can use different languages such as Chinese, English, Saudi Arabic, Spanish, Russian, etc. Besides, we will equip a remote control which can control the pump within 100 meters. And welcome to visit Luton Group to choose the suitable pump for your project.